sit next to you. The equation. Because at this school, we are leaders. Anyone sitting here next to you, honey? I'm gonna sit here. How are you? When you're taking your test, you're gonna wanna... What are y'all learning? How many else do we know? You know, chapter 5 is... Hey guys, don't forget... a slide copy. Everyone, there is some confusion about that. I have a question. To wear at the homework. Okay, is this your test right here? I'm in Miss Johnson's class. What is everyone's favorite part about this school?
The football team?
The football. We do have a good football.
So what do we call it when...
Is it so interesting? I am looking at future presidents. Keep up the great work at this school, raising great athletes and students here.